Third down and 1 has been an issue. Give to Kadarius Toney. And already a 7-3 lead. Last few plays in this first quarter. It's Kadarius Toney. First down yardage.
Up and all the different things you can do. Just look at this counter fake and then coming back opposite way. And then look at his movement on the second level as far as being able to make the defenders. He was running in there in the high traffic areas, but no issues.
Mahomes throwing in, completing. Kadarius Toney, little shaking.
That you use to like do this and just stop it. I mean, but that's just ridiculous. I said, right now, like even though he's only been here a couple of weeks, that's the best part.
That short timeout. Chiefs snap it quick. McKinnon took the Wildcat. Mahomes got it across. And Kadarius Toney showing off the moves into the end zone for a touchdown.
That's not a hold. Hold, I believe that's incorrect.
Well, it wasn't Toney either.
Here's Toney. Takes the end around. Into the end zone. Signal is touchdown. For Kadarius.
Look at Kelsey.
Here's a better angle of it. Yeah, he breaks it.